Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add animations in Spline. If you want to make your three-dimensional scenes more engaging with movement, transitions, and interactive effects, yeah, Spline makes it surprisingly easy. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step in 2026. First, open an existing project or create a new one in Spline. Once you're inside the editor, select the object that you want to animate. Next, locate the animation controls in the right side panel. This is where you'll create and manage all the animations for your objects and scenes. Now click to add a new animation. You can animate properties like position, rotation, scale, and opacity depending on the effect you're trying to create. After creating the animation, adjust the duration and movement settings. Yeah, slower timings create smooth transitions, while faster timings make animations feel more energetic. You can also connect animations to interactions like hover effects, clicks, or page loads. This helps create a more interactive experience for visitors. Next, use the preview mode to test everything. Make sure the animation looks smooth and works exactly the way you intended before publishing. Once you're happy with the result, save and publish your project. Your animations will be included automatically when the scene is shared or embedded, and that's basically it. You now know how to add animations in Spline in 2026. With a little practice, you can create smoother, more engaging projects that stand out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.